So this vehicle, it has problem with the blower. It's not blowing at all. As you can see, it's full blast, nothing. No matter where I push, blower is not working. So let's go and fix this. Alright, so now I hooked up my scanner and I scan the issue and let's see what happened here. And here it is. So it's a fresh air blower mechanical malfunction, and the code is, I guess this is B10BE07. I guess that's what it is. So first we gotta remove the glove box. There's a screw here and there's one screw on the other side, and then you open it. There's one screw here and one screw over there you have to remove, and also there's one in the middle, don't forget that. And after this, you remove the screw, you have to remove the side panels here, and then here's what it looks like when you pull everything out. You pull the plug on the blower here, pull this plug here, just pull it out, and we'll see. We're going to remove also the, I guess this is a resistor here. So as you can see now, I remove the, I believe this is the resistor, and but I don't think this is the issue anyway. Right now I'm going to test the physical blower motor. Once you remove this resistor here, you now the blower fan is exposed. So I have this tool here that were a very nice tool here that you can put voltage and ground if you want it to, just for the testing purposes. There's a test light. At the same time, it's a multimeter, so this is a good tool. As you can see, I'm trying to put a power directly to the motor and see if the blower works, but it seems like it's not working. So nothing is working. So what I did now, because I can see now the blower fan, so I just put my finger inside and try to move the fan, turn it, make it loose, because it seems like it got stuck somewhere. So I moved the fan, and then here's what happened. It started moving, it started working. So what it was, the fan just got stuck, and maybe because this car has been sit for a little bit, and and the fan got stuck, probably moisture or anything like that, but that's what happened. So at this point, this is fixed. So all you have to do, just put everything back and you're good to go. And if you have this problem, in my case, the blower just got stuck. So I got lucky for this one, because I thought I'm gonna have to get the new capacitor, or not capacitor, the resistor, or a blower itself, even expensive to replace. And yeah, so I got lucky this time. I just turned the fan, just move the fan all, to make it loose again, and that's what it is. And if this video is helpful, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. So right now I'm turning on. As you can see, you can hear it now. There. So now it's running by the control, the HVAC control. So that's it. So please consider to like, share, and subscribe if this video did any help. Thank you for watching.